Hey, beautiful you. So I'm at Zehra's house where Coco lives. Coco has been a bad bird. He flew out of the cage and he made a mess in the living room. Wow. So that's what I heard this morning from the mother. But you know, I'm in the garden. I got a birthday cake from Zehra. And you know, a fresh fig from Mama's garden. Wow. Fresh figs are so important. And the shuttle. Wow. De space snoepjes van vroeger, heerlijk. And do you know this slide? The children had that last summer too in the garden, you know. Wow, having fun. Yes, and you know, Halil is under there. We're gonna go on the trampoline when I finished eating. He's hiding. Halil, kun je even een beetje bewegen? Je hoeft niet naar boven te komen, want ik ben aan het filmen. Ligt daar iemand onder? Hallo? Hallo? He's hiding under there. Maar ik heb afgesproken, I told him when I'm finished eating, I'm gonna have a jump with him on the spring. Oh, that's his mother. Ja? Halil? Waar ben je, Halil? Ik heb wat lekkers. Wil je een stukje taart? Hey, maybe you will... Nee, hij heeft al taart op. Halil, ben je in slaap gevallen? He's under there, you see? You can see. Halil, leef je nog? Oh, gelukkig, ik zie beweging. Oh, he's still alive. I see something moving. Okay, people, have a good one. I'm gonna enjoy this. Oh, and a fresh fig. Oh, yummy, yummy in my tummy, you know? Oh, yeah, do you know? Zehra is celebrating her birthday party on Sunday. So I asked the father if the children can come here on the beautiful soul's birthday party. He said it's not allowed. Wow, he's taking the happiness away from his children. That's not okay, yeah? Because, hey, we're having fun here. And my children would love to be here on the birthday party from Zehra. Yes. And with Coco the bird, of course. That's a good one, you know. Oh, there, look, something's coming up. Oh, what is it? What is it? Oh! Oh! Oh, wow. Whoa! Daar ben je, lieverd. Wat was je aan het doen?
Hier in bed.
Ah, en waarom lag je daaronder? Wil je dat delen?
Dat ik weer daaronder gaan.
Nou, als jij dat fijn vindt, kan je wel goed ademen?
Ja.
Gelukkig, wat is wel belangrijk?
Ik heb nog net gatjes.
Oh, slim van jou. Wat heb je dat goed gezien? Geniet ervan. Ik ga dit ook hiervan genieten. En dan kom ik straks lekker met jou springen. Wauw, ik zie het, ja? Okay, see you on the next one. Oh yeah, and Mama's wearing her pajamas. Do you know? Zehra is also wearing her pajamas on her birthday today. Yeah, celebrating. Yoo-hoo-hoo. Hey, and we were also picking up some dirt there with a stick. Hey, Mama, I was feeling happy and peaceful and having a chat with them. That's beautiful. Hey, but that was private. Wat zeg je, liefje?
Ik adem nog.
Oh, heel belangrijk, want je adem heb je nodig in je leven. Zonder adem leef je niet meer, hè? Dus goed in en uitademen. Cheers, people. Have a good one. Oh, do I look beautiful in my pajamas? I don't mind what you think because it's within that counts, you know? Cheers. And the fun we're having. Cheers. Wat zei je, Halil?
Ik heb naar vierhoek naar vierhoek.
Oh, vierhoek naar vierhoek.
Daar.
En het begon hier. Ah,
En
fantastisch.
toen had hij hier en nu heb ik het alweer goed.
Mooi, liefje. Wat doe je dat goed? Hey, inspire. I'm learning from him. Thank you, Halil. I love you, star.
Eigenlijk zitten er geen grote gatjes. Zo'n mini gatjes dat je niet kan zien.
Ah, maar de minis zijn heel belangrijk ook, hè? Want kijk hoe goed je kan ademen. Want alle minis samen zijn één groot geheel.